Hello students, welcome to Sree Academy. Myself, I am Phanindra. Here, like previously said, we are coming with the videos, the two important topics. Mathematics, ECET mathematics lo good score తెచ్చుకోవడానికి ఇప్పుడున్న తక్కువ టైంలో మంచి స్కోర్ తెచ్చుకోవడానికి టాపిక్ వైజ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ we are coming with the videos of topic wise important bits. Let's move to topic directly. That is I don't want to waste the time. That is here in this video I am going to discuss integration topic bits and different models and important models we are going to see here. Right now we'll move to this topic, that is integration. Let's move to the problem. That is he given in numerator and in denominator sin and cos functions are there. I am checking this as a model number 1. That is I am giving the problem based upon some results. If you know these results, we can write directly answers for this. Just that is first integral of a cos x plus b sin x divided by c cos x plus d sin x. Integration is going to be AC plus BD divided by C square plus D square, the quotients of sin and cos. With that we are going to get this into x plus AD minus BC divided by C square plus D square into log of C cos x plus D sin x plus C. Based upon this formula we can write the answer for this question. Here cos x quotient is a. To represent this only I given like this. Here sin x quotient b, in denominator also same format, cos after sin. But in the question we are having in numerator cos x sin x, here sin x cos x means a value is 3, b value is 2, c value is 5, that is cos x quotient, d value is 4. To represent that, just I am writing in the matrix form, that is a b c d, that is a equal to 3, b equal to 2, c equal to 5, d equal to 4. With that I am writing the answer for this indirectly by using this, that is ac plus bd. AC, that is 3 into 5, 15 plus 8 divided by c square plus d square, that is 25 plus 16 into x plus AD minus BC, 3 into 4, 12 minus 5 into 2, 10 divided by 25 plus 16 into log of denominator. Whatever the denominator is there, you are going to get that is 4 sin x plus 5 cos x. Either 5 cos x plus 4 sin x also you can write. That is in mod we are representing in mod. Now answer is going to be 15 plus 8, that is 23 divided by 41 this, and this is 2 divided by 41. Sometimes it will give the question like this, that is ax plus b into log of 5 cos x plus 4 sin x, or 4 sin x plus 5 cos x plus c. Then what is a or what is b, you will ask. A means simply the quotients indirectly. A value is going to be x quotient, that is 23 by 41, and b value log quotient, that is b equal to 2 by 41. Email ask like this also. I am treating, if you remember this result, you can answer this question directly if the question is like this. Okay, let's move to other model. Here one more model. Now see, here naming for this type of questions I am naming model number 2. This is based upon 9th standard integration. 9th standard integral. Actually if we didn't have numerator, 1 divided by root over x square minus 2x plus, it is in the form of 1 by root over ax square plus bx plus c, 1 by root over ax square plus bx plus c, or root over ax square plus bx plus b. 3 forms, 3 into 3, total 9 formulas. 9 form we will convert this whatever ax square plus bx plus c is into perfect square form. With that you will do. But we having here in numerator, that is some value, that is 2x plus 5. I am giving one more based upon 9th standard only we will do, but I am treating as a other form, that is indirectly here integral. If you having in numerator px plus q, in denominator root over ax square plus bx plus c, we will write the answer directly, that is a into 2 into root over ax square plus bx plus c plus b into integral of 1 divided by root over ax square plus bx plus c. This is now 9th standard form. We will convert with this form. We are going to have integration directly by using 9th standard formulas, right? Here a value is p by 2a and b value is q minus pb by 2a with this question, that is p by 2a this is, and q minus pb by 2a, this is 2a. And here only I am giving other form also, 9th standard formula lo inko other form maatladukuntunam, that is if having for suppose the question is going to be integral px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c is there. Indirectly we are converting this numerator into function, this function derivative form, that is a plus this function derivative. With that indirectly 1 by root x integration 2 root x, same 1 by x integration log x, same thing we are going to have an answer a into log of ax square plus bx plus c plus b into integral of same root it's not root, right, directly, that is ax square plus bx plus c dx, 9th standard form. We will convert this into perfect square form. And one more that is px plus q into root over ax square plus bx plus c is there. Answer is going to be a into, that is root x integration x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, that is nothing but 2 by 3 into ax square plus bx plus c whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus b into integral of root over ax square plus bx plus c dx plus c. Same function, indirectly based upon that we are doing the answers, but I required only this one. By using that I am writing. Indirectly if you write the answer by using this, that is going to be, the question is going to be here already a, where a equals to, I am finding a value and b value for this question, that is a value is nothing but p by 2a, p divided by 2a, p value is going to be here, p value is 2 divided by 2 into a value is 1, that is nothing but p value is, a value is going to be 1, b value is going to be q minus pb by 2a, that's I am writing, that is q value is nothing but 5 minus p value is nothing but 2 into b value is nothing but minus 2 divided by 2 into a value is nothing but 1, that is 2 into 4 4, 2 into 2 4 minus minus plus, that is 9, that is 5 minus of minus plus 4 divided by 2, 2 2s indirectly 2 will get cancelled, 5 plus 2 7. That is only if you write by using this, a value is going to be 1 into 2 into root over ax square, that is nothing but x square minus 2x plus 10 plus b value is nothing but 7 into integral of 1 divided by root over 2x square minus 2x plus 10 dx. Here it is matching, see here 2 same thing, 7 we having, indirectly this answer we required, that is integral of 1 by root over x square minus tx plus 1. Whenever here we having in function, that is ax square plus bx plus c is nothing but perfectly square, that is x square plus a square perfect square, or minus or a square minus x square, any form x square plus a square ledante a square minus x square ke convert aitadi. But whenever x square quotient minus exist ayinapude a square minus x square vastadi, it may be x square plus a square or minus a square. We should have to convert this into, means we require x and a. I am writing x is nothing but here we having x మైనస్, ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటే మైనసే వస్తుంది, ప్లస్ ఉంటే ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఎక్స్ కోషెంట్ ఉందో దాన్ని ఆఫ్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ వీ హ్యావింగ్ 2, దట్ ఈస్ 2/2 ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1. whatever you are getting you have to write here. This is now x value and a square we required. A square means we have to see the constant, that is c term constant minus here whatever the value you are having. For suppose 1 is there, 1 square rastanu. For suppose 2 is there, you will write here 2 square. For suppose 1/2 is there, we will write 1/2 whole square. That is nothing but it is 9. A square equal to 9. A value is going to be 3. Now it is going to be x square minus 2x plus 10 equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 9. Actual meaning x minus 1 whole square plus 9. If you want you can check. It going to be get this one. Now this is x, this is a square means a value is nothing but 3. That is x square plus a square form undi under root. Integration of 1/root over x square plus a square is nothing but integral of 1/root over x square plus a square formula is going to be sin h inverse of x by a. Here x value with that integral of this function, integral of 1 divided by root over x square minus 2x plus 10 value is going to be sin h inverse. X is nothing but x minus 1, a is nothing but 3. This value only we required. Here we having that is only sin h inverse. Now in place of f of x we having what? X minus 1 divided by 3. X minus 1 divided by 3. Here he given total answer. Indirectly 9th standard problem అడిగినారు. But 9th standard problem ni represent చేయడం కోసం question he given. Simply if you know this form, indirectly if you know this formulas you are going to get. Understanding my point, right? Understanding my point, right? Let's move to other model. Let's move to other model. Already I said with some results I am going to discuss the problems here. Here also I am going to give one more result. I am naming this as one more model. The formula is indirectly integral 1 divided by x into x power n plus k is there. The answer is going to be 1 by n into k log of x power n divided by x power n plus k. And one more I am giving here, integral 1 divided by x into k minus x power n. Here also answer 1 by n into k log of x power n divided by k minus x power n. Depends upon this k value we are going to have an answer. 1 minus x power n. If per suppose k value is minus 1 you will get minus. No problem, right? I am writing by using that. If you write the answer for this, here n equals to what? 3. N equals to what? 3. K value is what? 1. If you replace here in this formula, that is integral 1 divided by x into x power 3 plus 1 by in this formula. Now n equals to 3, k equals to 1, that is 1 divided by n value 3, k value 1 log of x power 3 divided by x power 3 plus 1. With this indirectly if you compare question with this one, in place of k we having what? 1 by 3. See I am modifying here, I am writing these formulas. Taking k value is going to be 1 or minus 1, right? Integral 1 divided by x into x power n plus 1 I am writing. In place of k I am writing 1. Same formula, k value 1 by n log of x power n divided by x power n plus 1. Right, k value 1. Same one more, integral 1 divided by x into 1 minus x power n. 1 by n log of x power n divided by 1 minus x power n. And one more I am writing, integral 1 divided by x into x power n minus 1. Now the k value is going to be minus 1. Now represent 1 divided by n into minus 1. Why? Because k value is going to be minus 1. Log of x power n divided by x power n minus 1. K value is going to be 1. But here see, minus 1 is that I am taking total whole power minus 1. That is nothing but 1 by n into log of x power n divided by x power n minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1 plus c. Whole to the power of minus 1, right? Going to be 1 divided by reverse aithe, that is 1 by n into log of x power n minus 1 divided by x power n. You may differ like this, reverse. Don't get confused. If you learn these formulas, you will get confused. That's why I am giving this formula. If E will represent the question, one time asked a question, integral 1 divided by x into x power 9 minus 1. With this you can write k value minus 1, n value is going to be 9. You can represent that, you will get this one. Indirectly if you modify like this only, you are going to get 1 by 9 into log of x power 9 minus 1 divided by x power 9 plus c. Understanding my point? It is also one more formula you can remember. Like these problems you are going to get. Let's move to other model. Let's see this problem. Here given integral x to the power of 3 into e power x. It's a very easy. This is under by parts. That is when two different functions are given, that is with eyelid word. That is here, this is algebraic function, this is exponential function. Which letter will come means algebraic. Now it is going to be first function, this is going to be second function. With integration by parts formula you have to do, but I am not going to say that like that. I am going to give is a easy formula, that is whenever integral e power x into f of x, if f of x is algebraic function, that is if f of x is algebraic function, the answer is going to be e power x into f of x minus f dash of x plus f double dash of x minus f triple dash of x plus f double dash of x minus up to so on. 0 వచ్చే వరకు డిఫరెన్షియేట్, సక్సెసివ్ డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయాలా, సక్సెసివ్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్. With this, if you write the answer, directly you will get, that is integral x to the power of 3 into e power x dx, that is e power x into x cube, first function x cube, the derivative is going to be 3x square plus this total function derivative 3 into x square derivative, indirectly 2x, that is going to be 6x minus 6x derivative 6 plus 6 derivative 0. 0 ని ఎన్నిసార్లు డెరివేటివ్ చేసినా ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి 0. దిస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఆప్షన్స్. దట్ ఈస్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ మైనస్ 3x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 6x మైనస్ 6. ప్లస్ మైనస్లో చేంజ్ ఉంటాయి 4 ఆప్షన్స్లో. ఏది సక్సెసివ్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఉందా, దాంట్లో సక్సెసివ్ డెరివేటివ్స్ ఉన్నా లేవా చెక్ చేయాలా, ఆన్సర్ అయిపోతుంది. వన్ మోర్ ఫార్మ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ x టు ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ 4 ఇంటూ ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ x dx. e power minus x dx. I am modifying the formula, that is here for suppose integral of e power ax into f of x. One more I am giving, I am treating just up to right now I discussed, that is model number 3. Now I am taking a model, that is exponential function into algebraic function. If you are getting like this, that is going to be e power ax divided by a into f of x minus f dash of x by a plus f double dash of x divided by a square plus f triple dash of x divided by a cube. Here plus minus plus, here you are going to get minus plus f double dash of x divided by a to the power of 4 minus up to so on you are going to get. Whenever, listen here, whenever e power minus x is there, integral x to the power of 4, that is nothing but e power minus x into x to the power of 4 is there, a small logic, that is in place of a we having minus 1. If you substitute in place of a minus 1 this formula, it's going to be minus e power minus, actually you will write e power minus n divided by minus 1, or that is I am writing minus of. Simply here plus minus వచ్చింది, అన్ని ప్లస్ లే వస్తాయి, సేమ్ ఫార్ములాస్. x to the power of 4 plus 4x cube plus x to the power of 4 derivative 4x cube derivative 12x square, 12x square derivative 24x derivative 24 derivative 0 plus c. All positives you will get. Why? Because minus 1 whole square means plus 1, but already minus ఉంది, ఇక్కడ minus 1, minus into minus plus. Here minus 1 whole cube is nothing but minus into minus is going to be plus. In between you are going to get all positives. When e power minus x is there, when e power x is there like this, e power minus x is there, sometimes you may get in place of a 2x, e power 2x, e power 4x, e power 3x, like that you are going to get. If you are getting e power 2x also, with this formula you can do. Okay, let's move to other model. Right, it's a one more model. I am naming this as one more, that is it is with the form, right? Actually, but it's not look like, but we have to convert like this. E power x into, if f of x plus f dash of x is there, we can write directly e power x into f of x plus c. We'll check function derivative is existed. We have to identify which is the function, which is the derivative. We'll write e power x into that function. Now means indirectly e power x into f of x derivative is going to be this one. Now with that I am modifying, that is e power x outside. I am representing denominator separating for numerator function 1 by x plus x into log x by x. That is nothing but integral of e power x into 1 by x plus log x. Why? Because x cancel. Now which is the function? Now this is a function, this is derivative. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Now with the formula, that is the answer is going to be e power x into log x. With this it may ask like this, any manner. If you know this formula, we can write integral of e power x into tan x plus secant square x. If the question is like this, tan x derivative secant square x, answer e power x into tan x plus c. And one more I am writing integral of e power x into x minus 1 divided by x square you will give. If you modify denominator, that is integral of e power x into, I am separating x by x square 1 by x minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. Here I am writing minus as plus into minus of. Now 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. F of x is 1 by x, f dash of x is minus 1 by x square. With that, the answer is going to be e power x into f of x is going to be 1 by x. Here see, log x derivative 1 by x, 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. Same thing I am writing e power x into x minus 2 divided by x square. I am writing directly here, see, that is integral e power x into x by x square is x cube, this is not square, 1 by x square plus of minus 2 by x cube, 1 by x square, 1 by x power n derivative minus n by x power n plus 1, n equal to 2, that's why you will get 1 by x square derivative minus 1 by x cube, 1 by x cube derivative minus 3 by x to the power of 4, you will get like that. With that, this is function, this is derivative, that's why function into e power x into 1 by x square plus c always. If you know this formula, with this we are going to get an answer, that is e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equals to, always we have to see the function, with that you are going to get e power x into f of x. Let's move to other model. We'll see this problem. He given integral x plus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x is there. I am writing, I am modifying this x divided by 1 plus cos x plus sin x. I am writing 1 plus cos x as 2 cos square x by 2. It's half angle formula. Sin x in terms of half angles 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by 1 plus cos x, once again 2 cos square x by 2. That is a integral of x into 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2 plus ఒక cos x cancel, 2 get cancel, sin by cos is tan x by 2, 1 cos already cancelled. See, I am saying this is as a integral, it is in the form of f of x plus x into f dash of x. If you are having like this, we can say x into f of x plus c. I am naming this one more, that is model number. That is integral f of x plus x into f dash of x is there. Tan x by 2 derivative, secant square x by 2, once again x by 2 derivative 1 by 2. That is f of x plus x into f dash of x. We can represent this as a x into this function tan of x by 2. You have to remember this. You have to identify which is function, which is derivative. Function plus x into f dash of x. I am writing one more same as a integral 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square. Actually 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. It is like integral 1 by log x plus of minus 1 by log x whole square into 1 by x into x. F of x plus x into f dash of x. We can write answer, that is x into 1 by log x is our function, that is plus c. I can represent as a formula also, integral of f of log x is there, my plus f dash of log x. If you having directly we can write that is as x into f of log x. For suppose sin x derivative cos x, if I am writing like sin of log x, sin x derivative cos x, cos of log x, if you having like this, f of log x plus f dash of sin x derivative cos x, log x లో రిప్రజెంట్ అయింది. ఆన్సర్ x into function is going to be sin of log x. If you remember this, if you go through with this formula, you are going to get an answer. Okay, that is x into f dash of x plus f of x anna sare, f of x plus x into f dash of x anna sare, answer is going to be x into f of x. Let's move to other problem. Let's view this problem. Here I am creating one more model, that is I know the formula integral of x to the power of n. What is integration of x to the power of n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Here always n not equals to minus 1. If n equals to minus 1, it's going to be 1 by x. I am modifying this, I am representing one form, that is if I take in place of x one function is there, always if you are getting in place of x one function, the derivative is going to be present in your integrand. If f of x whole power n into f dash of x is there, we can write the answer, that is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here also n not equals to minus 1. I am representing as this one more model, that is we have to check function if it is existed with the derivative of that function, that is see integral of 1 plus x cube whole to the power of 1 by 2 is there, 1 plus x cube, here we are having x square, 1 plus x cube derivative, 1 derivative is 0, x cube derivative is 3x square, but we didn't have 3, that's why I am multiplying, dividing with 3. Now f of x whole power n into f dash of x is there. We can write f of x whole to the power of n plus 1, 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. But we having 1 by 3 outside, 1 by 3 into. That is nothing but it's going to be reverse. 1 by 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by 3. Already 3 is there. 3 into 3, 9. 1 plus x to the power of 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. It may be asked in number of ways. With the function it's going to be same. I am writing one more question, that is integral of cosecant to the power of 5 theta into cot theta we having. Here I am writing, I am modifying here cosecant to the power of 4 theta into cosecant theta into cot theta. Cosec theta derivative is minus cosec theta into cot theta. Cosecant to the power of 4 I am writing cosecant to the power of 4 into 1. 1 plus 4 is nothing but 5. Same modifying the question indirectly, but we didn't have the derivative. We want minus cosecant theta into cot theta as a derivative of cosecant theta. That's why I'm multiplying, dividing with minus. Now it's going to be c f of x whole to the power of n into f dash of x, simply minus cosecant to the power of 5 theta divided by 5 plus c. Why? Because 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. Question lo kuda 5 ఉంది, ఆన్సర్ లో కూడా 5 ఉంది. ఇట్లాంటి లాజికల్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఇస్తారు. సేమ్ ఫార్ములా ఐఎమ్ అప్లయింగ్ ఫర్ tan. ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి చేంజ్డ్. ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ tan to the power of 10x plus tan to the power of 12x dx. I am writing one more formula, if you know this one, that is integral of tan to the power of nx plus tan to the power of n plus 2x dx is there. We can write answer directly, tan to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. With that, for this answer is going to be tan to the power of 9x divided by 9 plus c. In between number 10 ki 12 ki madhyala 9. For suppose ఇక్కడ 2 4 వచ్చిందంటే మధ్యలో 3 ఉంటుంది, 3 వస్తుంది. That is n ki n plus 2 ki మధ్యలో n plus 1. To represent the same formula I am writing, right? If you know this formula, it is very important. By using this one only, it is also asked in ECET, directly in ECET. What we are doing means we will take tan to the power of n outside. If I take tan to the power of 10x outside, 1 plus here it is going to be tan square x, that is integral, that is 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x. f of x whole power n into f dash of x, 1 tan x derivative secant square x, 1 plus tan square x is nothing but secant square x. That's why tan to the power of it's 10 and 12. In between you are going to get 10 ki 12 ki madhyala 11. I written wrongly, that is tan to the power of ln x. Here also 10 plus 1, 11 divided by 11. Okay, understanding my point? If it's very important, it is also asked in ECET so many times. Okay, you have to remember this. That's why I'm treating as a model. Okay, right. Let's move to other model. Let's see this problem. Integral tan x minus tan x by 2 divided by 1 plus tan x into tan x by 2. From trigonometry concept, it is in the form of tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b is nothing but tan of a minus b, a equal to x and b equal to x by 2. That is nothing but it is indirectly x minus x by 2 is nothing but tan x by 2. We know the formula, integration of tan x is nothing but log of secant x. Log of secant x plus c. With that, it is going to be same. In place of x we are having x by 2. That's why you will get a log of secant of x by 2 whole divided by 1 by 2. That's indirectly 2 into log of secant of x by 2. How you are getting this formula means like one more, that is it is from integral of f dash of x divided by f of x. That is directly we can write log of f of x plus c. I can represent this is as one more model. With this you may get more number of problems. I am writing simple problem, that is 1 divided by 1 plus x square into tan inverse x. That is 1 divided by 1 plus x square whole divided by tan inverse x we can write. That is tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. That's why f dash of x by f of x, f dash of x by f of x integration is log f of x. That answer is going to be log of tan inverse x. Here also tan x means sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x will write integration of sin x divided by cos x. Cos x integration, cos x derivative is minus sin x. We didn't have, that's why the answer is going to be minus log of cos x. Minus log of cos x is nothing but log secant x. With this form only you got this one. With this is asked in ECET directly integration of f dash of x by f of x is what? Log f of x. We can create more number of problem by using this model indirectly. This is also important model. This is also important formula also you have to remember. Let's move to other model. Let's see another model. I am naming this model number, that is that's indirectly I am saying as inverse process. Actually integration is a reverse process, inverse process of differentiation. Differentiation ni reverse ga represent chesthe integration ante indirectly y nunchali dy by dx vaste dy by dx nunchali y find out chese procedure integration. That is inverse process of differentiation. That's indirectly whenever the question is given that derivatives indirectly options lo unna existence function derivative chesthe question vastadi. That is integral of derivative of one function is going to be, here we are representing as y. That is derivative integration. Deni derivative ee function teliste indirectly ee options ni derivative chesta sometimes may or may not. Here indirectly question ichinappudu answer anedi direct ga cheppalemu. Sometimes integration process nunchi sometimes you won't get and modification cheyalsi vastadi questions ki. Aa modification anedi idea rakapothe indirectly options ni simple ga derivative cheste question వచ్చిందనుకో అదే ఆన్సర్. Right, here what I am saying means x into sin x into secant to the power of 3 I am writing as integral of x into sin x divided by cos x into secant square x I am writing. Why? Because secant to the power of 3 as secant x, 1 by secant is nothing but cos. That is x into tan x into secant square x dx. Is we are getting this one or not, we'll check here. That is I am checking, right, that is I am integrating derivating first function. That is first option e derivative chestana 1/2 atlane undi, 1/2 first option e differentiation chestana. Secant square x derivative tan secant square x derivative, that is 2 secant x into secant x derivative secant x into tan x minus tan x derivative secant square x. If I take secant square x common, that is 2 tan x minus 1, but it is not. It should exist x కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ కాదు, సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ చూస్తానా. సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్ డైరెక్ట్ గా డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ అప్లై చేస్తానా. దట్ ఈస్ 1/2 ఇంటూ ఇక్కడ యూవీ మెథడ్ ఉంది, x ఇంటూ సెకండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ఉంది, x ఇంటూ సెకండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్. ఎక్స్ అనేది ఒక ఫంక్షన్, సెకండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ అనే ఫంక్షన్. ఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ 1 సెకండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ అలానే ఉంచుతానా, ప్లస్ యూవీ మెథడ్ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఇంటూ వి ప్లస్ u ఇంటూ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ v. ఇప్పుడు u అట్లనే రాస్తానా, దట్ ఈస్ x ఇంటూ సెకండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ 2 secant x ఇంటూ మళ్ళీ సెకండ్ ఎక్స్ డెరివేటివ్ సెకండ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ tan x మైనస్ tan x డెరివేటివ్ సెకండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్. ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ క్యాన్సిల్. దట్ ఈస్ 1/2 ఇంటూ 2 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ సెకండ్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ tan x. 2 to get cancel, x into second square x, x into second square x into tan x. అంటే సెకండ్ ఆప్షన్లో ఫంక్షన్ని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయడం వల్ల ఈ డైరెక్ట్ వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ ఇది మైనస్, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది, అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇన్ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. ఇయర్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ప్లస్. ప్లస్ మీన్స్ ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ టు బి నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి క్యాన్సల్. 2 secant square x వస్తుంది, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఆప్షన్స్, అంటే క్వశ్చన్కి సరిపడలేదు ప్లస్. ఇక్కడ సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఉంది, ఇండైరెక్ట్లీ యూ విల్ గెట్ ప్లస్. ఆల్రెడీ సాటిస్ఫై కావాలి కాబట్టి థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ కూడా సాటిస్ఫై కావచ్చు. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో కంపల్సరీ వాట్ whatever the problem is given in integration, if you differentiate, if you know the differentiation concept, if you differentiate the options, compulsory you will get the question. Right? Understanding my point? Right? If you apply this method indirectly, you are going to get some questions answer easily. Okay, let's move to other model. Once again I am saying that is we are representing the problems here with some results. Here also I am going to give one more result that I am treating as one more model. That is with this also we can form more number of questions here. That is if the question is like integral 1 divided by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x, we can write directly answer 1 by ab into tan inverse of a tan x by b. This is under substitution method. The function of function form we can take. That is we will take cos square x common. With that it is going to be converted into perfect square 9 standard form. Based upon that cos 1 by secant square tan x was tan x derivative secant square x. Like this forms if you are getting simply you have to multiply divide with secant square x, you are going to get the answers. But same form you are going to get so many times. But here see a square sin square x plus b square cos square x unnappude ab values always tan x quotient is going to be a, that is nothing but sin x quotient. Tan x is nothing but sin by cos, that is you will get a. Sin square x quotient ne iskovala. Sometimes the form is going to be 1 by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Why I am saying this one means it is asked ECET directly. Maybe it is going to be asked a square cos square x plus b square sin square x unte it is going to be 1 by ab into tan inverse of b tan x by a. Why? Because sin square x quotient b. Okay, with this, for this one answer is going to be 1 divided by a value is 3, b value is 2, tan inverse of 3 tan x divided by 2 plus c. 1 by 3 into 2, 6. Here the question is going to be in different manner. Integral 1 divided by 1 plus 5 sin square x. Means we will modify this. Integral 1 divided by sin square x plus cos square x plus 5 sin square x. Why? Because here we are having one place la represent chesnam. It is going to be integral 1 divided by 6 sin square x plus cos square x. Here a equal to root 6, b equal to 1. Answer is going to be 1 by root 6 into 1 tan inverse of root 6 tan x divided by 1. Divided by 1. If you are writing or not writing also, no problem. Understanding my point, right? These are the two formulas we have to remember, or if you remember one also no problem, that it is. Okay, right, let's move to other model. Right, in this session we'll complete with this problem, and also I am treating this is one more model. Whatever the problems I discussed based upon results only. If you remember these all results, you may get from this one. From integration topic you are going to get 2 to 4 questions. From integration topic you are going to get 2 to 4 questions. That is it may be 2, it may be 3, it may be 4. Sometimes 4 vachinai, sometimes 2. Minimum you will get 2 questions. Okay, right, I am treating this one as actually e power 3x into cos 4x. Whenever two functions are in multiplication, it is under by parts. But what will happen means integration by parts చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే if you treat with Bernoulli's rule. Why? Because this is exponential function, this is trigonometric function. Algebraic function exist అయినప్పుడు if you do successive derivatives at some time it is going to be 0. But whenever if trigonometric function, for suppose sin x is there, sin x derivative cos x derivative minus sin x derivative minus cos x derivative plus sin x, it's going to be repeated, but you won't get 0. That's why we are treating this is as under reduction formula. We are simplifying into reduction indirectly. More number of values we are coming in under in one. That is, I am giving a formula e power ax into sin. Here we having cos na, we'll write for cos. That is cos bx is there. The answer is going to be directly e power ax divided by a square plus b square into, it is cos, that's why you have to start with cos. That is always you will with a into your function is cos x plus b sin bx. క్వశ్చన్ లో కాస్ ఇస్తే ఫస్ట్ కాస్తో స్టార్ట్ చేయాలా. ఫర్ సపోజ్ సైన్ ఇచ్చినారనుకోండి, ఈ పవర్ ఏఎక్స్ ఇంటూ సైన్ బిఎక్స్ ఇస్ గివెన్ e power ax divided by a square plus b square. You have to start with, this is a common thing, you have to start with sin. That is a b sin, that is not, first one is going to be a sin bx minus, you will get minus here, b cos bx. The quotients a and b only, but you have to, if it is sin is there, you have to start with sin. If it is cos, you have to start with cos. With this reduction formula, our answer is going to be integral e power 3x into cos 4x is given. Directly answer is going to be e power 3x divided by 3 square 9, 4 square, that is nothing but 16 into a is nothing but 3, b is nothing but 4, 3 cos 4x plus 4 sin y, because b is 4 sin bx plus c. 16 plus 9 is nothing but 25, e power 3x divided by 25 into this function. That is, these are the reduction formulas you have to remember in integration. Maybe you will get questions directly also. Sometimes you may get this formula also directly. Right? If you go through with this all, you can gain good score in your ECET. Okay? Right? Try to follow everything. Okay? We will give more number of videos like topic wise videos daily. Go through with that. You are going to get. Please subscribe our channel. That is Sree Academy.